My name is Muftooh and I am the Programme Director of MSc Smart Manufacturing. Smart manufacturing is the integration of conventional manufacturing technologies with state-of-the-art technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and blockchain. Some examples of smart manufacturing would be to integrate blockchain into the supply chain, for example, or integration of machine learning in different manufacturing processes such as quality control, for instance, etc. Students with the background of mechanical, mechatronics, industrial, and manufacturing engineering would be extremely interested to join this course. Smart manufacturing is a multi-billion-pound market which has a growth rate of over 10% around the world. Most of the industries are now looking for people with skills in artificial intelligence, blockchain data analytics being applied on the manufacturing processes. At MSc Smart Manufacturing program, we will give you these skills. Students will have access to the multi-million pound GBS Institute of Technology facility, which is based at Aston University. The students will also have the facility of additive manufacturing with polymer, metal, and composite 3D printing. Students will have access to the conventional manufacturing setups such as 5-axis CNC machines, water jet cutters, etc. After graduating, the students will go on to pursue careers in industrial engineering, process engineering, manufacturing engineering, and digital manufacturing engineering. We are closely linked with the industry. For example, in one of our projects, which is called H2 Glass, we are helping the glass industry to make digital twins of their manufacturing setups. You should choose to study at Aston because we have experienced faculty members who can support you in your studies. We have a well-developed program where we give you personal tutors who work directly with you on a one-to-one basis. We have other university facilities such as the Hub, which helps students in different matters, not just in academics, but also related to your personal life. You can cover a range of topics in this course, such as digital twin, application of artificial intelligence in manufacturing, robot programming for manufacturing processes, and data analytics for supply chain, etc. Academics with background of digital twin, artificial intelligence, robot programming, sustainable manufacturing, etc. would be teaching you these courses.